Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today, how is your day going? I hope you are enjoying your day. In today's video, I will be taking you through how I make my delicious chicken tomato stew, guys. In here we have our well selected ingredients. Our first of all ingredients, our chicken with stockfish already cooked. Here I'm using curry leaf, guys. Make sure you put curry leaf on your stew. It will bring out the taste of the stew very well. In here is our groundnut oil, our tomato paste, our lovely blended pepper, our sliced onions, and I'm using thyme, guys. Our thyme, our salt to taste, our seasoning cube, and our curry, guys. Let's get started with our today's recipe. Make sure you stay and watch this video to the end. You will love and you will learn something from it. Make sure you use curry leaf to make your stew, guys. You will love it. So guys, in here is our pot in the fire. Let's get started with our stew. Now it's time to add in our groundnut oil, our vegetable oil, guys. You make sure you add enough vegetable oil so that you use it to fry your tomato very well, because that frying part is necessary. You need to fry your tomato very well so that all the taste that is not good will go out, so that your stew will be very perfect after cooking it, guys. Stay tuned, you will love this video very much. So we have put in our groundnut oil. It's time to just wait for 1 minute so that our oil will heat up before adding the onions. Please stay tuned, you will love this video, guys. In the other pot is our white rice. I'm cooking my rice already, so everything have to be fast, guys. So now it's time to introduce our onions. So our onions has already been added. You fry it. Make sure you fry your onions for like 2 minutes, so guys, it will bring out the taste. In here we add our curry powder. The reason why I'm adding this curry now is to bring out the taste of the stew very well, guys. Make sure you try this recipe. While frying your onions, you add your curry powder, guys. It will bring out the taste of the food. As you can see, our onions is well fried now. Let's introduce our tomato paste. We have to fry this tomato very well, guys, to avoid that sour taste. let's introduce our pepper lovely blended our lovely blended pepper, guys. In here we have our pepper, our tatashi and shombo with fresh garlic and onions well blend. Turn it, make sure you mix everything very well. You can see it very well, guys. You make sure the oil in your tomato is well enough so that it will help your tomato to fry very well, and you will have that taste that you want, so that you will get the taste that you are looking for. You have to fry your tomato very well. Then we cover our pot and cook for like 10 to 15 minutes so that our tomato will fry very well, guys. We don't have to rush it. If you are cooking your stew, you need to fry your tomato, because that is the only way you will get that perfect delicious taste of your from your stew that you are looking for, guys. You have to wait and be patient and fry your tomato very well, guys. So stay tuned. Let's fry it for 10 to 15 minutes so that we will get that taste we are looking for. So guys, now it's time to check our tomato. It has been frying for more than 10 minutes, guys. You can see the outcome. You can see the tomato is well fried now, guys. Don't mind my children, no. That noise you are hearing is my children. They want to break my gate. So now it's time to introduce your thyme. I'm using only thyme and curry. Then we add in our curry leaf already washed. Please guys, make sure you try this curry leaf in your stew. You will love it. The taste and everything is very, very delicious, guys. It brings out the taste of the stew. We have to make, because Oga is on the way, we have to make this food fast. I can perceive the aroma coming out already. Now it's time to add in our salt. While adding salt, guys, you need to be careful because we already added salt while cooking our chicken. So if you are adding salt again on your stew, you need to be careful. Be mindful of the salt you are adding so that you will not spoil your stew with salt. In here we introduced our season cube. I'm using a star maggi, guys. So now it's time to introduce the chicken stock. You add in a little by little. That is how I do my own. You will get that taste, that delicious taste that you want. If you like, you can fry your chicken, but I normally use my chicken like this. I have already cooked it, so if you like, you can still fry it. If you want, we just leave it like this. To make stew is very simple. Make sure you try this recipe, you will love it. Then our remaining stockfish, guys. Don't forget to like this video, comment and share. There are others of my homemade food recipe in my YouTube channel. Make sure you go and watch it. And if you want us to post any other food recipe for you, you have to just put it down in the comment section and we will get back to you guys. Stay tuned. Let's make this delicious stew. So we have added everything, guys. Now it's time to cover your pot. Just allow it to cook for some few minutes because other ingredients has already been added. We have already fried our tomato very well, and other necessary things you have to add is well added here. So let's wait for this stew to cook for like 7 to 10 minutes. Then we check it again. So guys, let's check the stew. And here you have your delicious chicken stew, guys. You can see the outcome. Make sure you try this recipe. You will love it. Don't forget to like this video, comment and share, guys. Thank you so much once again for tuning into my video. I really appreciate you guys. Are one in a million. Thanks for watching. Bye.